What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And we say attack. So, right now, what me I going to talk about now, people? Because I really see this thing here, Zine. I feel like I need to talk about it. Because I see where the comments them and everybody getting it twisted and this and that. And me I talk about what them call the General Secretary of the People's National Party, Mr. DAYT0N Cambell. Yeah, man. And now where them say 3 more female come forward and say, yo, him didn't have some actual thing with him before when they were minors and thing. And now them are come forward and speak out. Which we see some other female that come forward and talk, and then the case they get dashed with. But now 3 more new female come forward and say, yes, did that. Well, my viewers and subscribers, honestly, I don't know these female in person. I don't know this DAYT0N Cambell in person. Like, as a friend, I see him before in person, see? And honestly, I wasn't there if nothing do happen and thing. But what me I go say now, viewers and subscribers, and me I go telling you something about facts right now when me know. See? There's a lot of politicians I want to see at Jamaica today. Them big politicians today. You see when them maybe in a power at the time, yeah, MP, maybe they need the up front to them or do them thing. But you see when they're on the opposition side or something. Honestly, then do some things there. And I'm not going to judge DAYT0N and say yes, him do that when they pick them. But lot of him alone, lot of politicians out there do it with they pick them. They love the little young one them who are 15, 16 and a joke thing. See? I'm not going to say I'm guilty, people. But I see out of my own eye. I see man on the labor right side. I not pick myself, but I see man on the labor right side. I come so boom and go a movie one time, people. See? And go eat some ice cream and thing, me and a female. And I come so boom, people. He's a big politician that I say one big one. I say, and with a look young feet, and I can't tell people that he pick the underage pitney. Pan DAYT0N there. See now I look you see security man turn up saying I look a jacket thing and I said, Jesus, DAYT0N there pan we see cross dressing ice cream and a lick down. See? So me not pick no side or something, you know, with DAYT0N or something, because I see a lot of people come so boom and this the female them and me not go this them because things can do happen with viewers and subscribers. Things can do happen. You understand? Things can happen. But what me I say now, see, why all of a sudden, all of them are come together and are come out now? After things happen, so, you know, and today happen, you know, everybody will come out now, adult now, because them say they happen when they was minor. And most of them people, the parents do know about the situation before, because through the parents know, so why not? At the MP, you can't get this a gas school, you can't get this a freeness, and them will get for them package and so on. So them give up them pitney. But now they pick them and come forward. I'm not going to bring down the MP answer. But me I say now, honestly, why them a stir up back them something now for tear down a person? Why couldn't they never tear it down from a long time? Why now? This is what me always ask. Why now? So Jamaica going to a state now where we are going to them thing that we are going over America with Cosby and R. Kelly and all of them something. See? Because no man, it just, see, there's a lot of businessmen who do them thing in Jamaica. Lot of man. Me see it out of my one year and most Jamaican can say them see things like this happen. Any man that is in community, we have a look a rich man up there so. See, who push a big van, have a big business up there so. And a little hottest little school girl, they want a hot. And you can't know say used to do it with her. Me see it out of my one year people. When me go to school in a grade 7, the driver for the bus and the little school girl in a grade 9, grade 10, them together, them a minor. That's something we happen a long time. So now, because a man maybe MP or maybe be this now, everybody a come forward and a jump and they were gonna beat it on that and this. Honestly, them something a go a long time and me blame parents and stuff. But even though a lot of people are gonna say you can't control your picnic and this and that, well, you picnic live on their roof and something man, you say you can't control. Me know say yes when you go to school you can't swim or do this and that. But you know, parents do know. A lot of parents do know. And them allow it for happen. See? It's sad because honestly people, as man or man, it's wrong for man to get involved with underage pitney, with school pitney. It's totally wrong. And it's a disgrace. Whether he is a member of parliament, whether he is just a regular person, whether he is just a, you know what I mean? It is wrong, people. Honestly, it is wrong. Because think about it. These men, you see, I'm not talking data now, but these men who mostly do these things, people, they do have data. And how would they feel if it's a big man now who is doing things with their data? They would feel good unless they know that, unless they know a streamer, they know no, you know what I mean? But all me as viewers and subscribers, man. This is a thing we are going on a yard long time. See? And me just see now where everything beat done pan DAYT0N and everything tumble on pan them people. And basically what they want to tell him to do, you know, honestly, you know, is quit, you know. You're going to yet come forward saying he need to quit and he need to resign and he need to drop this and drop that. Because what happen now, people, everybody are just try to root up this and try to fling out who them are fling out of this politics thing. See? And I believe said none panny, both sides are good people. Them are two corrupted thing them. Whether the P or the J are the same thing them people. It's all about corruption and disruption and consumption, the whole of them. See? And that's why me I tell us I would never vote for nobody. No sir. I would never vote for nobody people. See? Because all of them do them thing. Nobody believes them life perfect. When I see video release with man pan that side, big old member of parliament, big name and you hear say this and that. And that if you see a lie them, but then just try to cover up them footsteps and cover up them marks, people. No joke about it. See? But as I tell people, I can't say you a lie the girl them a tell. See? And me can't say DAYT0N did do it or whatever. But all me can say people, this is Jamaica and them thing are going long time. Or we have them big money and them love the local ones them. Yes, all of them mother they have their wife up there people. Saying they love the local one and mind picking them we go to school. Especially when I stay in touch grade 10. You know, so when they in a grade 9 people, they in the long uniform. But so once they stay to turn historic, then consider them as big man. And they have any time. Them consider miss them as something from me I go to school people. A lot. And if them come someone, everybody if come forward. If this is a thing now where cases are filing against these big man MPs, you understand, businessmen, doctors, lawyers, police officers who been with local pitney. If these things to come forward right now and them are go come forward and root up all of them, you're going to see how much of them at Jamaica get teared and tumbling. Hundreds and thousands of them. See how much of them. Most of who you see in the House of Parliament, this is the only one who hold and a crawl and a walk with the tick. All the blind one too, every one of them. Remember the attacking boss telling that, not joke people. But all I can say, yo, DAYT0N, if you do it, you're wrong. Yeah. And the parents them, you need to hold accountable also. Because a lot of you know, you see, when you pick me out of them sitting here. But because you not get that little handy on something, you not get that little something here, you make it go on and make it happen. So who forget blame? Honestly. Looking on yourself, man. My people, big up on yourself. I don't know, say they attacking boss there and the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Just more love, more respect, and more blessings. My people, remember, support the NEWLINK Foundation thing, the charitable thing, people. My personal thing. You understand? This year 2021, we are make difference in the less fortunate life. And when I talk about the less fortunate people, we don't talk about the young chunk people. We are talking about less fortunate who can help themselves, who really do need help. Them, they are the ones who we are help in the street. Peace out. Enough love and enough respect. Remember, subscribe. Attacking Boss is back in full force. Never gone away.